Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be what's it called? Building a C++ program. I already built it. Just gonna like show you guys how it works. C++ program that's gonna be a trapezoid calculator. Okay, so we're gonna include IO streams or input output streams. Gonna be an int variable since I've been doing void functions a lot in my previous videos. We're gonna be using a int function for the video. Okay, so yeah. So using namespace using namespace standard library, which is our std, so we don't have to write this for every line of code. Okay, so what's it called? We're gonna call it integer function. It's gonna be a trapezoid. We're gonna have a double A. We're gonna have what's it called variables of double A, which is our what's it called? Our side. Our first side is A, second side is B, and then our height is edge. I guess B is the base, A is the what's it called side, A is one side, and B is the base, and H is the height. Okay, and we're gonna return this. This is basically the formula for the area for trapezoid. This is a formula for area of a trapezoid. Okay, we're gonna be returning, which is an integer. It's an int function. Actually, this should be double, since we're gonna be returning double variables. Okay. So double is similar to an int function. The double function is similar to an int function 'cause at the end of the day, we're going to be returning something, okay? But we're using double variables here, so we're going to have to use double, okay? So, yeah. So we're going to return a plus b over 2 times h. I'm using all these brackets. This bracket is basically for the entire function to hold, to the entire formula. This bracket is for, what's it called, between the a plus b together over 2, and this is also for, this is, what's it called for, I'll put it in brackets due to bod mass, which says division first. It's going to do division first and multiplication, and then subtraction, then addition. Okay, so yeah, that's why you got to put it in brackets so it's like it follows the rules. Since if it doesn't follow the rules, the calculations doesn't come out to be as accurate as we would like it to be. So yeah, and the main function is we're gonna have three variables, which is our area, which is called our side, our base, and our height. So we're gonna enter A, B. This is console input. This is basically entering into the program. We're inputting into the program's console input. Okay. And then this is going to be our answer, which is our area, which is going to be just called it P. It's going to be trapezoid, and then it's going to take in all our variables, which is A, B, and H. And then we're going to say C out the area for trapezoid. It's P, which is the area. And we're going to skip a line, okay? All right, I'm going to just run the program. So let's just say, let's just give it 10, 5, 7. So the area of a trapezoid is 52. I'm just going to say units because this will be whatever units you guys use, since like there for Czechoslovakia, it could be meters, kilometers, and all that stuff, meters to meters, all that shit. But it's gonna be squared. Okay, let's just say, for example, in this, we're just gonna say units squared. Okay, because that's how we have trapezoid. Okay, so units squared. So whatever it is. Okay, okay, so 10, 5, 6, so 45 units squared. Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Yeah, like and subscribe, guys. Comment, what's it called? Drop anything. Drop your questions or answers or whatever you guys want to do in your comment section down below. And thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.